Welcome to Advanced Learning Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the secret of fast scrolling in Excel. When you are dealing with a vast amount of data, it is extremely important to go from one part of the data to another part of the data very quickly, or to select a specific part of the data very quickly. So, by the help of Ctrl Shift and one of the arrow key, you can go from one part of the data to another part of the data, or you can select a specific part of the data very fast. For example, right now I'm in cell B4. If I want to go to the last cell containing value, I press the Ctrl plus arrow key down. So it directly takes me to the last row which contains value. Now, if I want to go to the last column containing value, I again press the Ctrl and arrow key right. If you want to go to the top part of the column, Ctrl plus arrow key up. So now if you want to select a specific part of the data, first of all you have to click in any of the cell. Then you can, by the help of Shift, Ctrl and one of the arrow key, you can expand your selected area, or you can decrease your selected area. So I want to increase my selection area. So first of all, I press Shift and arrow key right in order to expand my selection area in row wise. Then now I want to expand my selection in column wise. So you again press the arrow key down. It expand your selected area to the down hand side. Now again I want to expand my selected area into right hand side. I press the Shift and arrow key right. Now if you want to expand your selected area to the last row containing value, you press the Shift, Ctrl and arrow key down. So it has selected all the column B, C, D, E. Now if you want to select the entire columns and rows, so again you press the Ctrl Shift arrow key right. It will select all the data. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.